Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to start this series where we will create this environment in Unreal Engine. And today we are going to create our project and set up some lighting for our environment. Let's open the Unreal Engine and you'll see this layout here, and let's click on this games and next. We are going to take this third person. Click next. We are not using any starter content, so go here and click on no starter content. Leave rest of these things as they are, and now rename your project. Now click on this create project. So we have this default scene here with us. Click here and go to this content and right click and create a new folder. Rename it. Open this folder and right click here and select this level and create a new level. Click here and save selected. Now you'll see this blank canvas here. So let's start with adding some lights. Now go to lights and select this directional light, select it and drop it in your viewport. Next we are going to use a skylight. Again select it and drop it in your viewport. Go to the visual effects and here you'll see this atmospheric fog. Select it and again drop it in the viewport. And here you'll see your sky turned red, which we will fix in a moment. And let's take this exponential height fog and drop it in your viewport. Now at last let's select this post process and drop it here. So we have all these components. Let's select your skylight and change the mobility to movable. And also let's increase the cube map resolution to 512. Now select your post process volume and search for infinite and check this infinite extent so that it affects your entire scene. So we have created the lighting for our. Let's add one more thing and go to the classes and search for sphere, and you'll see this BP sky sphere. Select it and drop it here. Now let's go to the cloud opacity and increase it to 1. Now you'll see some clouds in your atmosphere. And here you can change the sun's height and horizon fall off. Change it like this. Turn it down -1 if you want to make it a night, and keep it +1 if you want your sun like this on the top. Now we have created our environment. So let's go back to this post process and search for exposure. And here you will see this minimum and maximum brightness. So click on this minimum brightness and maximum. So let's enable these and we'll change them when we work on our environment. So we have set up some lights and clouds and sun for this environment. Let's go to this modes and click on this landscape. Here you'll see some settings, so just leave them as it is. Don't change anything and click on this create. It will give you a very large plane here. This is going to be our terrain. Now go back to modes and select, and here you'll see this skylight, post process volume, exponential height fog, directional light, BP sky sphere and atmospheric fog. Select all of them, right click and create a new folder. Rename it as lighting. Close it. So here it says lighting needs to be rebuilt. So let's go to this build and click here. Change the lighting quality to the preview for now and click on this build lighting only. It's going to take a minute. So our lighting is built. Now here you can click on this play and it will drop your character on this plane. Now you can move around with using the keys WASD and space for jump and your mouse to pan. To exit the game mode, just press escape on your keyboard. So that's it for today, and in the next video we will see how we can create some landscape material for our scene. If you liked this video, then subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.